Hello everyone and welcome back to the Queso Crypto channel. It's been a while since I showed my face. I believe it's been 81 days since the last time I've done a video, and I believe the last time I did a video on was about ApeCoin. So yeah, it took a really long time, and I'm sorry that I've been MIA for so long. I'm sure you guys are wondering, where have I been, these past 80 days when, in May, well, obviously you see that in April, the market started to go down, and then when May hit, I actually remember this very perfectly, that beginning of May, that's when the crypto market dumped like crazy. So obviously, to be honest, around that time, I didn't want to look at the market just because, I'm sure you're all feeling the same way that, your money's going down. A lot of people lost a lot of money during this periodic time, especially what's going on with the market and the recession, the interest rates going up like crazy too. So a lot of stuff is going on. So I kind of take a step back and reevaluate and continue to learn about what's going on with the money world. That's pretty much what I've been doing, and to be honest, I wasn't looking at the market because I'm pretty sure y'all feel the same way. It just, like I said, it's just hard to look at. I talked to a lot of my friends about my YouTube channel, and they still encourage me to still continue doing the technical analysis, and I feel like it still would help a lot of people and stir them to a direction, even maybe if you're lost or don't know what to do. So that's why I came back. And also, I miss you guys. I miss making content for you guys as well, and also just miss making content for myself. This is what I truly love doing, just doing technical analysis, and also making money in the crypto market as well. So I really enjoyed that so much. So I'm happy to be back, and I'm gonna do my best to continually just cranking out more videos for you guys. And just also let me know if there's any crypto coin that you want me to do a technical analysis on. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. So sorry for the long intro. I just want to give you guys an idea where I've been, and just give you the sum of it of what I've been doing. But I have been learning a lot on what's going on with the money world, the systems, all of it. So I have a better understanding of what's going on with the world. So yeah, so today's video, I'm going to be covering technical analysis and price predictions on Ethereum. What got me to do the Ethereum first, because my best friend messaged me regarding about Ethereum pumping like crazy, and also this alpha group that I'm in with my other friend, with my close friends, also telling me that Ethereum is pumping like crazy too, and I heard it's about the merge as well. So I know that's a big factor that is happening and making the price go up. I just want to show you guys where I think Ethereum is gonna go and how it potentially might end up. So let's get right into it. So first thing first, obviously you can see with my technical analysis, these are old drawings that I did in the past, and I just left it there so I just get a good idea of what I did before. But right now we want to focus on what's going on with the present. So we're on the weekly time frame here, and obviously you can see last week the bullish candle touched the 14,000 resistance level, and that 14,000 resistance level is the resistance that it was back in 2018 all-time high for Ethereum. So obviously this week right now, we still got 4 days in order to see if the market is going to go back, if the market is going to continue going up, or if this is going to be a false breakout and then the market is going to continue going back down. So I have two possibilities that I could see this playing out. So the first possibility that I mentioned to my best friend is we got to see what this candle is going to do in these next 4 days, if it's going to close above this resistance level. If it does, then we potentially might be able to see the price go up to 2,000. That's what I'm thinking. If you look at the past support and resistance levels, this is where the price break out the resistance and bounce to the support level. So that's why I have a feeling that if this continues and stays above this resistance level, that potentially things get hit in the 2000s, and then from there I think we might be able to see the downtrend right after. So I think this is going to be a bullish trap. So a lot of people is hoping that maybe this is the rise of the crypto like the bull market that's gonna be coming. I don't think so. I don't think that's the case. I think it's just gonna be a trap where people think it's gonna be like super excited about, and then all of a sudden I think the institutions, the big whales is gonna just dump it, and then I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna lose money. So that's my speculation. That's like my first option that's gonna happen. So yeah, I think the price will hit 2,000 if it continues like this. And obviously you can see that the 200 moving average is acting as a resistance levels as well. So obviously you can see that there's a wick right here that touched the 200 moving average, now is retracing on back down. So two things: if it does break this 200 moving average, like closes above it, then we might be able to see a move up to the 2000s, maybe in the around the 2000s. Okay, option two, this can be where the false breakout might happen if it doesn't close above this resistance level, and also if it closes below this 200 moving average, like if it doesn't break for the next couple weeks, since this is a weekly time frame, then we could potentially see another downtrend to possibly around in the 700s. Okay, that's where the next level of support is. So those are the two options, and I think that's what's going to be played out. And we could use the Fibonacci retracement here to see where it likely can go. Obviously the 0.382, the 1906, that's where I'm predicting is going to go. That's where the bear trap might happen, and then the bullish trap that's going to happen, and then potentially might go down. So a lot of possibilities that could happen here. Okay, so first option, if this continues going up, I have a feeling it's gonna go around the 2000s, and then from there bullish trap's gonna happen and it come right back down, probably even just break that and probably just go down even lower. Probably just we're not gonna even look at this as a support. I mean, even though there is a support here, but I think it might break through, possibly. So all speculation here. I just want to give you guys the idea of what's going on. It also even possibly go to the 2200s, because usually the 0.5 between 0.5 0.618, so 2540 2223 is the golden area of where the market usually tends to flip. So these two areas is something that we might have to keep an eye on. Okay, so like I said, this is a weekly time frame. Okay, in the 4-hour time frame here, things are looking good. We got the two moving averages, the green and the red, crossed over the 200 moving average. It looks solid. So the daily time frame, I'm thinking, yes, this is gonna cross, but it only matters if the green if the green crosses the blue. That is a big factor of how this is gonna play out. So I'm thinking this candle in the daily time frame is gonna hit this blue. So like I said, around the 2540 area to 2223 is where the bullish trap is gonna happen, and I think the market is gonna go down possibly.